Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Israel Designs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a basic sign using the software Lightburn. So let's get started. All right. So what you want to do? You want to come to the left side over here. You want to click on this letter A. Then you're gonna just type in some letters. So I'm gonna put Zek and Ashley. I like this font, so we'll keep this font. I think I just used it yesterday. All right, so I want to click this arrow right here, come back over here, and I want to move this around. Let's try to center it. Okay, from there, let's click back on A. And matter of fact, let's change this font real quick. You click right here. I want to use Arial Black. So we're going to put in EST for established dot 2016, being the year that we were married. Okay, now I want to adjust the size of this. So click on that arrow icon. See how I just click on the side of that? I'll show you again. Let's delete that. 1 minute. $2016. Okay. Click right there on the side, hold it, and just drag like that. Come back. Click somewhere around here and just move it around to place like this. Now I want to put some bars on the outside, some lines. So click on that box, come back. I want to start right here on this line that way. I know it's even. That's probably thick enough. This undo icon. I'm not liking that. Let's undo this. Let's try one more time. I like that right there. Now, instead of trying to guess and make the right size for the other side, what we're going to do is we're going to click this arrow right here, come back down, right click it, click duplicate. It's going to create a second one. Now you can just drag this to the other side. Now remember, we put it on this line right here. That way, so we're going to put it on the same way other side. That way we know it's even. Like so. So what I want to do now is, I want to make this smaller first. Just a tad bit. There we go. Let's move this inside. All right. Do a little bit more. Right there is good. Now I'm gonna group this all together. So what I'm doing, I want to hold my left click down and just move my arrow. I'm gonna come over it, right click it, click on the group. Now all this is grouped together. That means it moves as one piece. See? So now I want to adjust the size of it. So right here, that's good. I like that. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So now let's move right under the Zek and Ashley. Okay, I like how this turned out right here. Let's move it over a little bit. Just a tad bit. There we go. Now, if you're not engraving this on a cup or a piece of wood only, you want to like cut out the shape with it. What you want to do is you want to come over here. We have shapes. So let's start with the basic rectangle or square. So if you click on that, you come out here, left click, you hold it down, you just mess around with it, you hit the shape or you desire, you let go, click the arrow, bada bing, bada boom. So if you don't like that one, you want to go to circle, let's go up here, click on the undo. Let's try a circle. Now you can make it a full circle or you can make it oval. I kind of prefer the oval, but let's see what we get out of it. So we can make this oval like so. Click on the arrow. Let's drag that down. Don't worry about it. We can make this bigger, like so. For those who want to make an oval door sign or a circular one. So now, let's delete that, and I want to put my square back up there. With my rectangle, there we go. Now, real quick, if you don't like this right here, and you know when get rid of the whole thing, instead of clicking undo, all you have to do is click it, and right click over it, and just hit delete, like so. All right, that's it. Now I'm gonna hit undo to bring it back. And there we go. Now, notice everything is in black, all right? So that means this is going to cut out everything because I have my black set to cut out. So let's scroll down to the bottom right here. Look, you notice all these colors right here. All these all these colors can be, it's like a command. You can program it to do certain things. So if black is a cutout, I'm going to click this right here. And you know what, let's just random color orange. For that. All right, we'll do Zega Ashley first. And then for this right here, I'm going to make this pink. Let's go to my cuts and lasers. So, for the orange, for Zega Ashley, I just have it doing the line, right? But what I'm going to do instead, though, is I'm going to have this do fill plus line. Now, I really want this to pop, so I'm going to make this about 40%, 42, 50. Now let's just do 40. So I really want that to pop. We'll put the speed to about 10. There we go. And for the establish, we got speed. Okay. Max power 35. So it'll be a little lighter, which is fine. I want that to be a little lighter because I want this Zega Ashley to pop up. You'll still see this, but I want this to be like the main attraction. So this is going to be a little bit darker than this. Now, if you want this all to be the same color, all you got to do is come like this. Highlight both of those. Left click. Put those in there. And you can just group those together. So now, this is all one piece. So now, you can make that all pink if you want, like so. So now these two are going to be looking the same. It's going to fill us in, then do a nice little outline on it. And this black outline right here, this line is black right here. This is going to cut out. All right. See, I got the speed set to 0.20, really slow. So yeah, that's going to cut it out. Now, from there, you want to connect your USB to your laser, or your laptop to your laser, either one you're using. You want, after you upload the file, you cut your laser machine on. What I like to do is I like to hit frame. See, I'm not hooked up to my laser right now, so that's fine. I just want to show you. So what I like to do is I hit frame because my laser head I have a red light. So what I do with that red light is I'll sit my piece of wood in there. I can follow that frame, and it shows me where it's going to cut out at. So now I have pinpoint accuracy of where to place my wood. After it's all framed out, I hit start. Then that's when the process begins. Now, if you have the camera attached to your Lightburn system, which I do not have yet, I actually plan on getting it in the future. Don't know when, because it's really convenient. And I'll do a tutorial video on that after I learn it. Also a review. So, thanks for watching the video, everyone. I'm going to go cut this sign out. Everyone, you have a great day.